Hello, my name is Alan Whitty. I'm a realtor here in central Minnesota, and in today's video, I'm going to answer one of the questions I get a lot. What are the three main things that home inspectors look for? Home inspectors will investigate every nook and cranny from the foundation to the roof and anything that might affect the property's value. There are three main things that they will check. Number one is the roof. Inspectors look for leaks, damaged or missing shingles, and moss growth. They also look for any problems with the flashing, the gutters, the vents, the attic ventilation, and skylights. If your home has them, make sure everything is watertight so that you don't run into any major issues. Severe storms can wreak havoc on your roof and siding. Last spring here in central Minnesota area is a perfect example of what storms can do to your home. Number two is the structure. The foundation of your home should be solid and be able to stand the test of time. The inspector will usually check for cracks in the foundation or water damage to the siding or supports. Number three are the utilities, or what I refer to as a big ticket item, like the HVAC system, your water filtration system, your plumbing, and your electrical system will all be thoroughly inspected to make sure they are working and have no safety compromises. If they're damaged or faulty, you should find out how much it costs to repair or replace them. These are just three things that a home inspector will look for. And depending on if you live in the country or the city, the list of these items can be different, and some cities will also have you look at various things to meet their codes as well. That's why having a home inspection and a real estate expert to guide you through this process is critical. As a member of the National Association of Expert Advisors, I use a proven, repeatable system backed by market research to help sell your home for up to 18% more than the methods used by traditional real estate agents. I can help you determine the best strategy and price to help sell your home for the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time. Again, this is Alan Whitty with eXp Realty here in central Minnesota. And as always, if you have any questions about real estate, don't hesitate to contact me by phone or email. I look forward to the opportunity of helping you sell your home.